In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the invalid CSV header error when importing to Shopify. The invalid CSV header error is one of the most common issues you'll encounter when importing products into Shopify. It occurs when Shopify cannot recognize one or more column names in your CSV file, preventing the import from completing successfully. This problem is usually caused by incorrect column headers, missing required fields, extra columns, or changes made to Shopify's default CSV template. The good news is that this error is typically easy to fix by comparing your file with Shopify's required CSV format. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify invalid headers, correct your CSV file, and successfully complete your import. So, let's get started. The first method is to download Shopify's official CSV template. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to Products, then click Import. Download the sample CSV file provided by Shopify. This template contains the exact column names that Shopify expects during import. Next, compare your CSV file with Shopify's template. Open both files in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Check every column header carefully. Even a small spelling mistake, extra space, or punctuation change can cause Shopify to reject the file. Another important step is to restore the original header names. Do not rename Shopify columns, even if the new names seem more descriptive. Shopify only recognizes its predefined header names. If you added custom columns for your own reference, remove them before importing unless they are supported by Shopify. You should also verify that required columns are present. Fields such as the product handle, title, and other essential headers must remain intact. Deleting required headers can trigger the invalid CSV header error. Next, save the file correctly. Export or save it as a CSV file rather than an Excel workbook. Using the wrong file format may cause Shopify to misread the data. After making your corrections, upload the CSV file again. Review the import preview to confirm that Shopify recognizes your products correctly before completing the import. If the error still appears, start with the official Shopify template and copy your product data into it instead of modifying the header row. In most situations, these steps will resolve the invalid CSV header error. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, download Shopify's official template. Second, compare and correct your column headers. And third, save the file as a CSV and import it again. Remember that Shopify relies on exact column names to map your product data correctly. Keeping the original headers unchanged is the simplest way to avoid import errors. And that's how to fix the invalid CSV header error when importing to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.